everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you loved our last video on okra water and chia tea, you're gonna love these two. Today, we're trying two more viral drinks that are all over social media: cucumber mint detox water and turmeric ginger shots. Let's jump right in. First up, cucumber mint detox water. It's super refreshing, easy to prep, and perfect for hot days or post-workout hydration. Cucumber is packed with antioxidants and water content, helping flush out toxins and reduce bloating. Add mint, and you're getting extra digestive support and a fresh taste. To make it, slice half a cucumber, add a few fresh mint leaves, and drop them into a pitcher or large glass of water. Let it infuse for at least an hour in the fridge or overnight if you want maximum flavor. Pro tip, add lemon slices for a vitamin C boost and a little tang. Now let's talk turmeric ginger shots. These little golden drinks are packed with anti-inflammatory power and immune-boosting ingredients. Turmeric is known for fighting inflammation and boosting your immune system. Ginger helps with digestion and adds a spicy kick. Combine them and you've got a wellness powerhouse. Here's how to make it. Grate 1 teaspoon of fresh turmeric and 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger. Add the juice of half a lemon, a pinch of black pepper to help absorb the turmeric, and about a quarter cup of water. Optional, add a teaspoon of honey for sweetness. Blend it or shake it well, and take your shot. It's fiery, zesty, and your body will love it. That's it, 2 more trending drinks that are super easy and super good for you. If you try one, tag me and let me know how it goes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more wellness tips every week.